I-Izinyunyana I-Numsa isiqagule ukuthi izisebenzi zakwa Eskom zizodonsa kanzima ngokwesimo somnotho, ikakhulukazi njengoba nebhange lombuso linqume ukuthi liyenyuse intengo yemalimboleko ngo-50 basis points izolo.
Workers at Eskom have for the last 3 years been subjected to austerity measures. The allowances have not changed since 2016-2017, and this is because Eskom has been taking away from workers. They loot through the procurement expenditure and they will not intervene to reduce those expenses. But when workers at Eskom ask for a decent wage increase, the SOE pleads poverty.
Abaholi bezinyunyana zontathu abakholelwa ukuthi amalungu ayizisebenzi azosemukela lesi siphakamiso se-Eskom.
The reason why we rejected the latest offer by the power utility is that it is less than the inflation rate of 7.1.
Kusenjalo embonini kaloliwe isathawu ifuna kwenyuswe iholo lezisebenzi ngamaphesenti ayishumi nesihlanu.
Amongst our demands is 15% increment across the board, a year agreement. The employer must also contribute 70% towards the medical aid. We are also demanding 3,000 rands for housing allowance. We are also saying we don't want retrenchments during this period of agreement.
I-Izinyunyana isathawu ishaya phansi ngonyawo ngokuthi ngeke sivumele inhlobo isiphakamiso esincane seholo abasichaza njengokubukelwa phansi kwezisebenzi zeprasa.